So ito po yung
Sincero sa pamumuno si Municipal Mayor Sidik Amiril katuwang kanyang Vice Mayor Musa Amiril at mga barangay captain at sangguniang bayan sa palaganap ng kabutihan at wakasan ang magulong buhay. At ito ang makikita at natuwa naman si Brigadier General Edgar Cato, Commander ng 64th Brigade, dahil kusang sinuko ang 18 matataas na kalibre ng baril dito sa bayan ng Talitay at pinuri naman ng SISCOM ng 6ID ang pamunuan ni Brigadier General Edgar Cato sa matagumpay at sinagawang turnover ng mga lost firearms sa bayan ng Talitay, lalawigan ng Maguindanao del Norte. Sincero sila sa pagpapatupad na wakasan ang masalimot na lugar. Sa pamumuno ni Municipal Mayor Sidik Amiril ay hanggang sa kanyang paglingkod ay wala naman naitalang kaguluhan at ngayon makikita ang dating magulong lugar na hindi mapapasukan ay unti-unting sumisibol at masigla ang bayan ng Talitay at nakakaramdam ng malakas ang ekonomiya ng kanyang mga nasasakupan dahil na rin sa kanyang pamumunong sincero at wakasan ang magulong pamumuhay sa bayan ng Talitay. Tumanggap ang mga certificate mula po sa Second Mechanized sa pamumuno ni Lieutenant Colonel William Sabado bilang batcom ng Second Mechanized sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Brigadier Edgar Cato, at natutuwa naman ang ating mga barangay captain at mga sangguniang bayan sa kanilang certification of recognition na patunay na ang layunin na pagkakaisa at iwasan ang magulong pamumuhay dito sa ating nasasaksiyan at kung saan yung papansin nyo kung saan po nagkakaisa ang ating mga community.
okay, to be followed by the SB members, ma'am, sir.
Tapi na ni.
SB member po, ma'am, sir.
Uni ang mga iwanan na.
Miss Joy.
Ika po yung bukar eh. Nelfon. Madali na makabakbay. Hindi ka ni talk siya to.
Rolly. Masayabon na si Rolly manood kiri kanina. Ano ni mama? Masayabon na yung mama pangit kiri kanina manood. Niyata mismo may kasi Rolly kanina ka rito. Masaya ka yun.
In supporting the national government campaign against proliferation of loose firearms and the highly important initiative known as the Small Arms and Light Weapons Management Program, or something as ceremonial turnover. Saying certificate of appreciation is given to Honorable Musa S. Amiril, Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Talitay. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Zoraida S. Amiril, Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Rolly U. Baron, SB member Talitay, Maguindanao del Norte. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Muslimi M. Watamama, SB member. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable J.D. Sulaiman, SB member, Talitay, Maguindanao del Norte. Same certificate is given to Honorable Iswari Baligo. Honorable Iswari Baligo. Maligo. 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 Correction lang eh, correction lang. Same certificate is required to Honorable Quadruped M. Mana, SP member. Same certificate of position is hereby given to Honorable Kalikot P. Sally, SP member. Same certificate is hereby given to Honorable Ahmad B. Yamadin, SP member. Yes, sir. Same certificate of position hereby given to Honorable Kako Ayun Tulang J. Kapandala, chairperson. Barangay Pilatang. Same certificate of position is hereby given to Honorable Sakam T. Yamadil, chairperson, Barangay Bintan. Same certificate of position is hereby given to Honorable Murshid A. Manipil, chairperson, Barangay Kilaran. Same certificate of position is hereby given to Honorable Dr. Gibran J. Miktipa, chairperson, Barangay Makarayon. Same certificate of position is hereby given to Honorable Sulaiman P. Buisan, chairperson, Barangay Poblasyon. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable George A. Ameril, chairperson, Barangay Mangay. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Asa L. Longa. Chairperson, Barangay Tulindi. Same certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Sandato A. Muatama, Barangay Chairperson, Barangay Gatuna. Thank you so much, Madam Sir. That was for the giving of certificate. At this point, let us hear a message from the commander of the 6th Overall